Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe in this quick video talking Technics and specifically how you can reset your Technics A800 headphones to their factory settings. In some rare circumstances you may find that you need to reset them if you want to delete all pairing information or during the troubleshooting step, for example. It's really straightforward to do and I'll talk you through it now. So the first thing to remember is that the headphones need to be off before you attempt this. And what we're going to do first is we're going to hold down the power button for around 7 seconds until we see the LED indicator flash blue and red. So let's go. So there we go, we can see it's flashing blue and red, so that's great. You can let go of the power button when that happens. Next, we're going to hold down the power button and the plus sign together for around 5 seconds until you hear a beep and this LED indicator is going to start flashing rapidly and then you can remove your fingers once that happens. And there we go, you can see it's flashing rapidly and now it's off. So that means this product is now completely reset to its factory settings, which means you can restart and use it as if it's a brand new product. Really helpful for troubleshooting steps and a few other reasons as well. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you in the next one.